What's going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be putting my rims on my car. Here we got the Mustang, you know, all stock looking with these nasty gaps. So we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on. Alrighty folks, so I'm out of my grandparents' house and we have the car pulled in. We got the back jacked up right now. Colton's taking off these lug nuts. These are stock wheels. Here's a look from the side. As you can see, you cannot see the tires sticking out the side. That's how thin they are. I'll go ahead and loosen this side over here. Can you like see? This is what it's looking like with the lug nuts on. Looking pretty good. This is what it looks like compared to the front. These are all dirty. About to put the fronts on. Getting snug.
There you go. Whoa.
Don't. You guys know we're a safe YouTube channel, so we torque everything to spec. And right here, we're gonna go ahead and torque these bad boys to 100 foot-pounds. Let's check. With that done, we're gonna go ahead and lower this bad boy down. We're gonna go see this, get that side angle. Huh? Look at these skinny boys. Yeah, these things are disgusting. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and compare the new front one to the old front one real quick. This is what we're looking at here. This is like a little donut, honestly. So, big upgrade. Holes it. There we go. Dang, dude, the meats.
Been doing some burnouts?
No.